I've walked my client through. I've educated them on their home, how everything works, where everything is located, like the air filter or the main water shutoff valve, for example. And I've told them how to maintain it. And if there's a problem, I've described the problem, described what would happen if we don't fix the problem and who should fix it. A licensed plumber, maybe a contractor, a roofer. I give them overwhelming amount of information within a limited amount of time. And that is essentially our job. We're trained, certified, we're knowledgeable, we have a skill set in order to educate. You are essentially educators. And unlike any other professor or educator or teacher, you are a master at this because you have to walk and talk at the same time. And every classroom that you're in is completely different. Every hands-on classroom that you take your students through is a different house, is a different setting, completely different. Well, they're similar from one to the next, but just so much fun to be a home inspector and to be essentially an educator.